What's up, guys? Welcome to today's edition of Forsaken Friday. And today we're just gonna play Forsaken for a while, and this server is already too chaotic. Just get some of my friends in here. That Elliot. You good? You good? Well, you know what, let me just... Oh, killer 1. Our next killer is gonna be Bloxy Cola. John Doe. Look at this new skin. Honestly, Mafioso's the best skin in the game. Alright, here we go. Yes, I can defeat you with my ensemble. Do not bet against me. Watch me camouflage with this tree. Ooh, he's over there. They ruined my favorite emote. They removed the lyrics. Yeah, I hate it now. It doesn't... I hear him. Yeah, there he is right there. Definite hit. Guys. What did I just walk in on? Anyway, as I was gonna say, guys, blame John. And you know which John I'm talking about? That guy right there. Oh no. Ow. No! Eat the fried chicken. Watch him target me. That's a Ow. I'm gonna die. I might die. I might. I barely lived at 10 HP. Let's go. Woo. Alright, next killer is gonna be Gibberish with Jason. This guy's place. So, but he plays as more than he plays as guess from 337. So that means he's actually good. I will be doing a stream tomorrow with Flores MM2 on MM2. I'm gonna be 2-time. Barely 2-time? Barely? Am I 2-time? Nope. My tooth's about to fall out. Oh, hey Jason. Ooh, Bloxy Cola. Alright, hold on. My brother might have just leave it be. Hold on. Just ignore him. He's gonna be crazy for a while. He's gonna be crazy. Hold on. Just hold on. I'll be right back, guys. Don't mind me. My bad there. Anyway, next round's killer is gonna be Elliot. It can be him. So it's just gonna. Oh wait. So let's just look at emotes while we wait. Gift that I hate. I've never heard of it. Drumsticks. I think this is a new one. Poisoned. Nope, it's just Fortnite. I'll get copyrighted. Pop Dance is a new one. Yeah, I've known that, but Monster Mash is a classic. Ashley's worst emote in the game. This is another new one. This is one of my other favorites now. This is my favorite now. Because they ruined the other one. I have this emote in Fortnite, so it's pretty good. It's Wade. Anyway, we can't list anyone with last name Samus. Got one in. We have Tin Pot Joe taking on Elliot. Elliot is stupid. Elliot kind of stupid. Who throws a healing item at the floor? Oh, ankles. And the killer has won. Jason, with his unfair hitboxes, wins again. I glitched the character. This is a terrible lobby. I don't know why I joined, but it's the only time I'm making a video, so that's nice. Let me just get a time check on what we got here. Alright, we got like 20 minutes left in the video. Taking credit for it. Don't go around that bend, by the way. Thank you. 2x2 said they're not letting anyone go past this plank because of the evil monsters or something. So you can't go past these planks I built. Elliot. Elliot as a survivor, but as a killer at the same time actually goes kind of hard. Okay, I don't know how the new respawn mechanic works, but we'll see. Oh, my tooth is gonna fall out. I just know it. I might fall out mid-video. Huh? I forgot you were meant to do generators. Oh yeah, I'm gonna run. Oh. Why'd I press dagger? Alright, hold up. It's one of these puzzles. Oh yeah, there's no escape over here. Over there. Wait, why me? Yeah, but why me? You got a person right there. Oh, did he just punch him? Dude! He's in block. He's nowhere near me. There's no actual way he's in me. Anyway, I'm Oh, is it over yet? Yeah, it's over. I don't know what I expected. So it's John Doe. So it's John Doe and oh yeah, I got 1x. I didn't do it on stream though. It was just getting too long. Couldn't do it on stream, but I was able to get 1x, and I'll be killer with him last round. When I'm killer, that'll be my last round. Just to tell you guys. Oh yeah, I forgot. I haven't finished talking with these guys yet. Pretty please don't go over my barrier. I spent a lot of time making it just so you don't go past it. Pretty please don't go. Yeah, alright. Wow, look at me. Yeah, he starts having a seizure after I tell him he looked yummy. Oh, sorry, dude. Also, what happened to my revive? medkit anywhere? Shan's following me. No. Boom, boom, there we go. Speed 3. Here we go. Right in here. Right around here. Alright, hold on guys. I gotta go AFK for a sec. But just be back here. Oh, I'm still on. Nope, never mind. No, I'm not. Just remind them. I don't know why. Nobody's gonna care. See the other thing this guy says. What are you? Narwhal. Yuck. Again, a seizure. Okay, yeah. Didn't know nobody cared. Last round, guys. Last round. And this time, wait. 2 rounds left. I always finish the video being a killer. Hold on, let me go AFK again, guys. I'll be like that. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.